Hello students, good morning. Again, you all are welcomed here in the class 5th subject science where we already have discussed the lesson number 6 air and water, and previous video we have discussed the exercise of question number A and B. Okay, today we will be discussing exercise question number C and D. Okay, so exercise part 2. Exercise part 2, that in which we are discussing question number C and D. Okay, so question number C is fill in the blanks. Let us start. Question number C is fill in the blanks. Okay, first of all, as I told you previously also, while discussing the exercise part, you need to open your textbooks with you, and while I am giving you the answers on the board, at the same time you may note down the answers in your textbook itself with a pencil. This will save your time, no need to pause the video, and while I am explaining the exercise part, that time if you will do the same thing like noting down all the answers with the pencil, it will helpful for you to copy down the same questions and answers in your notebook after the video. Okay, so hope you all are ready with pen, pencil, whatever things are there, and the most important, the textbook of Collins, right? Page number 77. Page number 77. So question number C, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, I am going to write only the blanks, that is the answer on the board. Okay, but I will read the question and I will just note down the blank which is the right answers. Okay, so let us start. First, number 1, dash is responsible for rusting. You know rusting? Yes. Dash is responsible for rusting water or water vapor. Water vapor or dust? So the answer is obviously water vapor. So first, water vapor. The C, question number 1 is water vapor is the answer. Number 2. Read with me, okay? Pragya Kaushik, Vansh Kamdar, Smith Jagtap, all the students those are listening to me. Class 5th, Srishti Prajapati. Yeah, very good. Naitik Makode, many students are there, okay? सबका नाम अभी लेना पॉसिबल नहीं है. I'll one name I'll in each video. Whether you are attending the video or not, God knows. But I am expecting that everybody is attending the videos and doing the work on time. Okay, as we had recently the interactive session in which I am very happy to share that all the students have attended the examinations very nicely. They feel that the paper was not so tough, though it was a little bit tough, and you all are, it shows that you all are very active in this online classes, virtual classes. Okay, because if you people are not watching the videos on time, not attending the lecturers, definitely the question paper will be very toughest one for you. But it is not like that. So it proves that you all are very active in this virtual classes. Okay, so keep it up. Very good. I am really feeling very proud of you all, class 5th. Okay, with the same energy, with the same enthusiasm, we will continue in the further examinations as well. Okay, so question number 2, I am going to read the question number 2. Let us see what is the answer. The earth is surrounded by a thick envelope of air called the dash. Already we discussed the definitions of atmosphere in the beginning of the video when we have initially started lesson number 6. So the answer is atmosphere. Okay. The earth is surrounded by the thick envelope of air is called atmosphere, and there are layers of atmosphere as well. So the answer is atmosphere. Okay. Number 3. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is simple exosphere. Name only exo, exo, the uppermost, where there is no air beyond this layer. ये एक्सोस्फीयर के बाद में तो एयर ही नहीं है, फिर स्पेस शुरू हो जाता है. वी नो स्पेस में एयर नहीं है. द पीपल दोज आर गोइंग फॉर द डिस्कवरी, एस्ट्रोनॉट यूज्ड टू कैरी द ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स विद देम. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर इज नो एयर आफ्टर द last layer of the atmosphere, that is exosphere. Then will be space. Okay, so the last is exosphere. Uppermost layer, exosphere. Number 4, dash or blank remove soluble impurities from water. Filtration या distillation? Soluble impurities, soluble impurities. What is the answer? Filtration? No. Distillation remove the impurities from soluble substance. So answer is distillation. First letter capital because the sentence is starting with the blank only, so D should be capital, distillation. And number 5 and number last is dash is used to increase the rate of sedimentation. Chlorine या alum. Chlorine can kill the germs, not increase the rate of sedimentation. So which is the chemical used to increase the rate of sedimentation is alum. A-L-U-M, alum. Number 5, alum. Yes. First letter capital because the starting word is there, right? And this atmosphere A should not be capital, it should be small only, right? Because it is not a starting word. Okay. So I'll divide this board into 2 parts. Now we'll discuss D. D, 2 examples. Okay. Give 2 examples. Question number D. First, properties of air. Properties of air, 2 examples, very easy. Somebody, what are the 2 properties of air? Air has weight, air fills space, or any 2 you can write. So, number 1, we'll write okay, I think we'll write this question here because it is a long question. Okay, so we need more space, right? So I hope these questions you all have done, you all have ticked. Okay, so let me erase this one first. We need more space for 2 examples, no? Right? So The entire board is required for this question. Okay, all right. So D, give 2 examples. Number 1, air fills space. Comma, air has weight. Comma is very important, right? Because there are 2 examples we need to give. How many examples? 2 examples. Number 2, gases present in the air. Nitrogen, oxygen. Right? Nitrogen, comma, oxygen. Number 3, applications of air pressure. Applications of air pressure. एयर प्रेशर से क्या क्या चीजें हो सकती है? वैक्यूम क्लीनर, वैक्यूम क्लीनर वर्क ऑन द एयर एंड वर्किंग ऑफ एयरप्लेन्स. एयरप्लेन्स जो यू नो व्हाई buses are not, because the airplanes are having one big kind of fan. That fan creates a lot of air pressure, and with the help of that air pressure the planes are flying in the air, right? प्रेशर क्रिएट होता है पहले एयर का और फिर बाद में ऑल द प्लेन्स आर फ्लाइंग इन द एयर. सो वी राइट 2 एग्जांपल्स, वैक्यूम क्लीनर एंड वर्किंग ऑफ एयरप्लेन्स. Vacuum cleaner, people use vacuum cleaner for cleaning the floor, cleaning the different kinds of things. Vacuum cleaner, pressure air, comma, working of airplanes. Working of airplanes and vacuum cleaner. Number 4. Number 4 is process of removing insoluble impurities from water. Simple here, sedimentation and decantation, or filtration you can write. You write sedimentation and decantation, 2 primary stages. Right? I hope sedimentation, decantation and filtration, distillation is learned to all of you. रात में 2 बजे भी अगर मैंने किसी को उठा के पूछा तो आपको सेडिमेंटेशन क्या है पता होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इसका बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका है. कंटिन्यूसली सेडिमेंटेशन, डिकैंटेशन, फिल्ट्रेशन, सेडिमेंटेशन, डिकैंटेशन, फिल्ट्रेशन. You should explain to other family members what is sedimentation, what is decantation, what is filtration. Very important thing, right? You get the basic knowledge and people also will, impressed with you with your this kind of knowledge. Okay. So sedimentation and decantation we try for 4. Sedimentation, comma, decantation. Number 5 and number last. Uses of distilled water. So easy. Just now I told you in the previous video. Uses of distilled water. Car batteries, medicines. Okay. Medicines, comma, car batteries. BATTERIES, batteries. Medicines and car batteries. Okay. I'll move aside for 30-40 seconds. Meanwhile, you can capture the screenshot of these 2 examples. Okay. बिकॉज इसको लिखने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. सो मैं 30 seconds आई and the video is paused, that also you can do, and then you can note down all these question answers. Hope you all are clear with question number A, B, C, D. E, F, G questions I'll provide you all on your WhatsApp group in the PDF file. Okay, clear? Okay then, thank you and have a nice day.